Best Laptop Desk for Bed Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular lap desks in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this laptop table so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this laptop desk. The one that made our list is the Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Table. This laptop table has two auto-lock buttons on each side that easily enables quick changes in height from 10.6 to 15.4 inches. The surface can also be set to 3 different angles from 0 to 36 degrees. There's an adjustable stopper which prevents your laptop and mouse from sliding off the lap desk. Other than on the bed, it also serves as an ideal workstation companion, such as at standing desks or couches. This lap desk is light, sturdy and portable. It folds easily away to keep out of sight when not in use or to bring anywhere you need a workstation. To check out the full specs of a Saiji laptop bed tray table and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestlapdesk. Here's a quick video demo of this lap desk being used. So there you have it, the Saiji laptop bed tray table. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material and its overall functionality, we feel that this laptop desk is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of a Saiji laptop bed tray table and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestlapdesk. Alright, thank you for watching.